人讲老罔老閣會哺塗豆，安那英國有一個阿公實在是真栕，伊自細漢就開始拍羽毛球，大漢了後做教練做65年，即馬才到88歲啊，同款將活着，即陣閣佇咧球場甲少年人拚輸贏。
哎呀！88歲貝德福當含少年選手在交流於殺球的好技術，伊超過一半人生攏佇羽球場度過，會使講是球界做事級的人物。
We started badminton when I was 11, but this one is my earliest photo of badminton. I was on there just before I was 18.
對11歲開始摕羽球拍了後，貝德福都唔捌想過要甲扛落來，就連去馬來西亞的樹林做兵，伊同款繼續拍。伊做教練65年，教過學生算袂了，兼叫近的高雄用伊來號名體育館，但唔管上來請教，伊攏真謙虛。
To be honest, I think it's a bit overwhelming, really. I'm only just along down the road, if you like, a little coach, and to meet the national coach, I'm amazed the standard of the players who are here today.
貝德福唔但是愛羽球，閣愛大家攏來耍羽球。伊強調拍羽球會當結善緣，而且真正有真濟好處。
Keeps me fit. I meet other people, and I like to think I can help other people because a lot of times people come along, they're feeling problems, feeling a bit low. We give them something to do, they enjoy it, they say, yes, we enjoyed that, coming again next week.
He's obviously inspired like plenty of kids to pick up a racket and play badminton, so it's nice that we could obviously meet him. Even have a rally with Colin is amazing to see.
冇想過要甲球拍掛起來退場，貝老先生羽球人生已經是傳奇。
I've still got to keep going. Bring it on.
公視新聞溫鳳儀編譯。